CSS Part 1, Learning the Basics of CSS. So basically what we are going to look after is the font and the line in which the font is written, and we are going to work after it so that it looks much better than how it looks in ordinary HTML. So without further ado, let's get started. So as usual, doc type HTML, then followed by HTML and then head. And since it is CSS, we are going to use style to stylize the sheet that we are going to look after when we get the output. Then H1 background color, I would go for, I think I should go for blue. Yeah, this is much better. And now font weight. Font weight is basically the thickness, or let's say how bold the font is. 300 pixel for me. Font family, I think font family Algerian. Now a lot of people get confused between font family. What is font family? Font family is basically the various types of fonts that you see, the group in which that happens. Font size 50 pixels, much better, and you can choose anything you want to as per your preference. And color, I would go for white because it looks much decent with white. Yeah. Now let's go for paragraph. In paragraph background color, I will choose it as black. Black is a professional color, let's say, and it works well with white. Font weight, I will choose 500 pixels. Yeah, much bigger than that. Font family, I think I should choose Arial, different from Algerian, so yeah. Now we're going to look after the font size. Font size, I think 60 pixels. This is much better. And then color, you can choose anyone. I think I said you already. Red. Note the difference. Color spelling there, you will not occur, because since it's HTML, you don't have to use your logic. It's all about coding. Now style close, we are done with the style. And head close, we're done with the head. Now we are going to look after the body, thereby H1, that is head 1. We'll choose it as this is my heading. Then H1 close. Then paragraph. For paragraph, I will write this is my paragraph. This is my paragraph, yeah. Then paragraph close, so that you don't get confused between heading and paragraph. It's then body close, and then HTML close. We're done with it. And save your project as css.html, and wherever you want to save, you can save it. It's all your wish. Then to go you go to the file where you have saved and open and look after your output, and there we go, we have made it. So you can figure out the difference between CSS and HTML. In CSS, you can color each line till the territory of the font size. So this is the one difference that we learn in our basics, and we are going to look after it afterwards. Okay. Moving on to the next is something that will look like a magic for those people who are unaware of CSS and what it does. So entitle it with CSS and grouping, then title close, then open the style in that, write H1, then P bracket background color red, and color of title, that is text, will be red, then font family Algerian, then style close and head close. Now we'll work on the body. H1, this is my heading, and paragraph, this is my paragraph, as usual we have done in previous. Now body and HTML close, and as you have done it, save your coding in your favorite file or location where you want to save it, but make sure to save it as css grouping.html. So now that we have done, open the file where we just save, and boom. So here is the coding magic. You see that you can't see the text, but as soon as I highlight the text, it turns up visible from being invisible. Technically we can say that. Now if I overwrite this as color white, it will come up normally, which is a basic trick that you can play with CSS. It's fun to have. So with that, I'm done with my session. I hope you all like this, and if yes, make sure to subscribe my channel for more such content. Till then, stay blessed.